Brought to you in part by Susan Shoup at Exclusive Realtors, servicing South Chicagoland, Northwest Suburbs, Kankakee, and Will County. Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be putting a rear sway bar on this Tesla Plaid here from Unplugged Performance, and we're going to get to it right now. I'll tell you, one of the perks to having the self-driving thing is, you know, it's always a pain in the ass with the two-post lift getting in and out of the car, but with the app, you can just pull the car up where you need it with nobody in it. So under here we got the two panels that cover basically the whole underneath of the car. I'm going to take off this forward panel and either take this one off or loosen it to hang down a little bit. But the sway bar is up in there, and you basically just have you're going to have the brackets in there and then the end leak, one on each side, and that's going to be it for that. So we'll get to taking this plastic piece off. I did not end up taking this off. I did take out all the screws though, so it was flexible to pull down, because there's your bolts, there's the bracket, and it's real easy to get to with a 10 mil, or it's an 11 mil or 7/16 and a stubby extension, just so you can get around this. And now you just got to take these off and we can switch it out. Here is the stock bar versus the new one, and I can tell you this blue one is way heavier. I mean, the other one feels like nothing, like a twig. So I'm gonna say that there's gonna be a difference in stiffness for sure. So I never have a flat surface around here clear. I mean, it just doesn't happen. But anyway, they give you, you know, the new bushings, polyurethane, and they give you some of this this grease. So they want you to grease the inside of it, obviously. They give you enough. They say split it in half. Put it in there. So eliminate squeaks, as you know. And now they are going to go on. There's these little ridges here. Okay, so you can put them on and you stop them with the bar from sliding around, like back and forth between the brackets. So now that I got that, all I'm going to do now is slide it up in there, get the bolts in loose, make sure everything's clear, and then we can just tighten everything up. Now I have everything loose in here. I got this is the tightest setting, or stiffest setting on both sides. All the bolts are in, and they want you to make sure that it's as far back so you're clear of the cables. And then I just got to tighten it up. So these bolts here are 22 foot-pounds each, and these I just tightened this tight. So now all I have to do is put this bottom cover on and take it out. So she's all done. Took it for a ride. I really like it. So as you can see, I guess on the lift it would be a lot better. It's just easier to work on. But I would say if I wasn't trying to video it or anything like that, 30 minutes tops to do this job. Start to finish. So I really like how it handles in the turns. It feels planted. That other sway bar feels like nothing. I mean, it feels like it weighs about 2-3 pounds. So I'm pretty sure it's a hollow tube. But I do have it set on the the firmest setting, which doesn't seem to bother me at all. So I'm just gonna leave it there. I mean, at this point, if you want to adjust it, all you need to do is take the end links off, switch the holes, and that's it. You don't have to take anything else off. That you can do without removing anything except the nuts. So now that it's in there. So yeah, I'm very happy with this, and it's going to feel a lot better, I know, at higher speeds on the highway. Not that it's bad now, but I can't imagine it's going to feel even better. So please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.